Today I'm making a really simple chickpea salad. This is one of those recipes I come back to when I want something easy and filling and don't feel like cooking. It's simple, flexible, and hard to mess up. This is one of those things I learned how to make when I went vegan. Alright, let's get into it. This is where I add the crunch. We have celery, onion, and usually some pickles. I don't overthink it. Whatever onion I have works. Then I mash the chickpeas just enough so they hold together. I don't want them too mushy. Keeping some texture makes it feel like an actual meal. If a few stay whole, that's totally fine. This is where the creaminess comes in. Today I'm using vegan mayo, but sometimes I'll use mashed avocado. It just depends on what I have. I add a little lemon juice and Dijon to keep it from tasting flat. I usually go light on the mayo because you can always add more. I'll give it a quick stir, then season with celery seeds, salt and pepper. I grew up with celery seed in things like tuna salad and potato salad, so it gives it that familiar deli-style flavor. And if you want this to lean more tuna style, you can add in some chopped nori. I usually skip it though. The whole thing takes about 10 minutes and actually tastes better if you make it ahead. It's one of those recipes that changes based on what I have, which is why I make it all the time. I usually eat it as a sandwich and lunch is basically handled. I'll put the full recipe and measurements in the comments, and this one never lets me down.